Observe the Anahat Chakra. Now simply, while observing the Anahat Chakra, raise your focus from Anahat Chakra, from heart center to the throat center, yes, to the Vishuddha Chakra, to the Vishuddha Chakra, to the Vishuddha Chakra, tapping over gently over the Vishuddha Chakra, tapping over the Vishuddha Chakra, focusing over the Vishuddha Chakra with our first two fingers of right hand, tapping over the Vishuddha Chakra, tapping over the Vishuddha Chakra, tapping over the throat, tapping over the throat center, empowering ourselves, growing our capacity into the power of communication, into the power of thoughts, into the power of words, into the power of conveying the message. The center of communication, empowering our throat center to the power of communication. Tapping over the throat center, tapping over the throat center, tapping over the throat center, trying to make our throat center more active, more energetic, more awake, 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 tapping over the throat center. Now simply, while observing the throat center, while focusing over the throat center with our mind, simply rub our hand, hover our hand over the throat center in a circular manner, rotate our hand in a circular manner, like we are cleansing the throat center, cleansing the throat center, cleansing the throat center, cleansing the throat center, while hovering our hand over the throat center, hovering our hand over the throat center in a circular manner, in a clockwise manner, cleansing our throat center. I am cleansing my throat center. I am cleansing my throat center. I am cleansing my throat center. Focusing our throat center. Focusing our throat center. Cleansing, 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 cleansing. Clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, 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 clockwise, 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 rotating hand over the throat center. Rotate gently, gently, randomly over the throat center. There is no perfection, just a participation, a humane, gentle participation with scientific approach. Assuming that there is an energy center, a throat center, a Vishuddha Chakra, and we are cleansing it, we are energizing it, we are healing it. We are empowering our Vishuddha Chakra, empowering our Vishuddha Chakra. Focus over Vishuddha Chakra, Vishuddha Chakra, cleansing, cleansing, cleansing. Relax, relax, relax. Now take your hand in Dhyan Mudra again. Make yourself comfortable. Focus over Vishuddha Chakra. Focus over Vishuddha Chakra. Focus over Vishuddha Chakra. Focus over Vishuddha Chakra. Empowering Vishuddha Chakra. Conveying the message to the Vishuddha Chakra that I need more power of communication. I need more health over the throat center. I need more harmony. I need more balance. And I am moving into this process of balancing my chakras, empowering my chakras. Focus over throat center. Make yourself relax. Make yourself relax. Relax. Observe the throat center. Observe the Vishuddha Chakra. Observe the Vishuddha Chakra. Observe the Vishuddha Chakra. Observe it. Convey your message of balancing, cleansing. Convey your message of energizing, empowering the Vishuddha Chakra. Now simply raise your attention from Vishuddha Chakra to the Agya Chakra, over the third eye, in between the eyebrows, center of the forehead, Focus over the third eye. Focus over the third eye, empowering ourselves with the power of intuition, with the power of intuition, with the power of intuition. Agya Chakra, tapping over the Agya Chakra, tapping over the Agya Chakra, tapping over the Agya Chakra, empowering it, activating it, trying to awake it, assuming that there is a certain energy, there is a one energy center, we can call it as third eye center, we can call it as Agya Chakra, Agya Chakra, third eye, tapping it, tapping it, tapping it, tapping it, tapping it, energizing it, activating it, healing it, cleansing it, focusing over third eye, focusing over third eye. I am cleansing my third eye. You have to say that you are cleansing your third eye, means you have to say that I am cleansing my third eye, uttering it, I am cleansing my third eye, I am healing my third eye, I am energizing my third eye, I am trying to awaken my third eye. Not that higher level of awaken, but simply a gentle awakening of the energy. Yes, simple, gentle, humane try of cleansing the energy of third eye, empowering the third eye, empowering with the intuition, the power of intuition, empowering with the power of divineness. Third eye, tapping over it, third eye, third eye. Now simply while observing the third eye with our mind, leading our attention over the third eye, simply again try to rotate your hand or the palm section of your right hand, hovering over the third eye, rotating it in a circular manner, like we are cleansing it, empowering it, cleansing the third eye, cleansing the third eye, clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, 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 again clockwise, clockwise, randomly, clockwise, 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 circulating, circulating, rotating, rotating over third eye, cleansing the third eye, cleansing the third eye, cleansing the third eye, anti-clockwise, rotating anti-clockwise, cleansing the third eye, cleansing the third eye, hovering this hand over the third eye for cleansing it, for purifying it, for energizing it. Now relax. Take your hand in Dhyan Mudra again while focusing over third eye, empowering with the power of intuition, the power of sixth sense, the power of knowing something beyond senses, the power of controlling the senses, the power of controlling our life, the power of controlling our body, the power of controlling our mind, the power of third eye, the power of pineal gland, the power of brain, the power of cosmic energy, which is stored here, which might be or which may be stored here at the center of third eye, at the pineal gland. Simply observing the pineal gland, simply observing the third eye. Relax, relax, relax. Now, next part, raise your energy from third eye to the crown chakra, 1000 palated lotus center, Sahasrara chakra, top of our head, spiritual energy, energy of divine unknown, tapping over the top of the head, tapping over the top of the head, tapping over the top of the head, focusing over crown chakra, focusing over crown chakra, focusing over crown chakra, focusing over crown chakra. Crown chakra is getting more activated, more energetic, more focused, more aware. I am cleansing my crown chakra. I am cleansing my crown chakra. I am healing my crown chakra. I am focusing over the thousand paleted lotus center, the Sahasrara chakra, tapping over the Sahasrara chakra, tapping into the power of spirituality, tapping into the power of divine unknown, tapping into the very existence of ourself, tapping into the very existence of myself. I am tapping over the Sahasrara chakra. Now relax. Simply take your hands down in Dhyan Mudra by continuing the process of observation, observing the crown chakra. Assuming that there is a certain energy over top of our head, we can call it as Sahasrara chakra, thousand paleted lotus center, or crown chakra. Observing it, observing the crown chakra, and simply hover this hand, rotate over the crown chakra in a circular manner, rotating hand in a clockwise over the crown chakra, rotate, rotate, cleaning the crown chakra, healing the crown chakra, healing the crown chakra, cleansing the crown chakra, cleansing the crown chakra, attaching emotions to it, cleansing the crown chakra, focusing over crown chakra, rotating hand in a circular manner over the crown chakra. Now anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, rotating anti-clockwise over the crown chakra, over the Sahasrara chakra, cleaning it, energizing it, balancing it. Now relax. Take your hands again in Dhyan Mudra while remain in this very state of observation, observing the crown chakra, 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 meditating over crown chakra, meditating over Sahasrara chakra, meditating over thousand paleted lotus chakra, energy center, center of spirituality, center of divine unknown, center of connecting to the cosmic energy. Focus, focus, observe, 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 focus, 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 aware, 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 relax, 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 relax.